Welcome to our guide on Android gaming hacks. Today, we'll uncover the secrets that pro players use to level up their gaming experience. First off, let's talk about optimizing your device's performance with a few simple tweaks to speed up your Android for gaming. Game Booster apps can significantly enhance your gameplay. We'll break down the best tools to maximize your gaming experience. Pro players customize their touchscreen layouts for optimal control. Here's how you can set up your own. Minimizing input lag can make all the difference in competitive gaming. Let's explore effective techniques. Effective resource management is crucial. Discover how to free up memory for uninterrupted gaming. Using a VPN can improve your connection stability and speed. Let's discuss how to choose the right one for gaming. Learn from the pros. Insights into cheat tools and ethical gaming practices will give you a competitive edge. Training apps can be a game changer for skill improvement. We'll recommend the best tools for you. Finally, engaging with community resources can keep you updated on the latest hacks and tips. Here's where to go.